Machiegni kendo, Obila e kaunti ma Kisii nomako gunde 14 mag njaga maneri kitere gwenge ma pod ok oyangore kitiyo gi nyamburko mating'o jowuoth mar matatu e wang' apaya ma Keroka kogwen ma kawuono. Kanoloso gi jofwamb weche e tesend Obila ma Kisii, OCPD mako jolo ma Kisii Central Kazungu Charo ne oyango ni nyamburko mar namba plate KCN 509Q kido mar Toyota ne riembo marach kod dereva mawachore ni nobayo e gwenge ma Kegati. Nyamburko ma kamano nodine e tesend Obila ma Kisii e kinde ma obila pod dhi nyime gi timo nonro.
Today, very early in the morning, our officers, while on our routine patrols along Kisii Keroka Road, came across a motor vehicle which was being driven very suspiciously. The officers gave chase. And upon realizing that officers were on hot pursuit, it diverted on a feeder road, and eventually the driver lost control and landed into a ditch. Upon the arrival of the officers, it was established the vehicle, which is behind me here, a Toyota Hiace KCN 509Q, had 14 sacks suspected to be cannabis sativa or bangi. The driver of the vehicle managed to escape, but officers are on hot pursuit looking for him. He can run, but he cannot hide. We shall catch up with him